Hello everyone! Today I'm going to model how to add the Mercury Reader Extension to a Google Chrome browser. I will also model how to utilize the extension once it is added to the Google Chrome browser. Mercury Reader is an extension that clears the clutter from online articles. This decreases distractibility by removing ads and other distractions, leaving only text and images for a simple reading view on any site. Once these items are removed, the font size, text font, and color can be customized for the user. Formatted text can be sent to a Kindle device with one click. This will help learners with dyslexia and attention issues. To install the Mercury Reader extension, do a quick Google search for Mercury Reader extension. Click on the first option. Click the blue Add to Chrome button. Click Add Extension. And notice that there is now a rocket ship icon beside the web address bar. This means that the Mercury Reader extension is now ready for use. Next, we are going to view the article, "A Teen Saves for 2 Years to Buy His Friend an Electric Wheelchair," written by Tom Patterson of CNN. As the page loads, notice the large amounts of advertisements that are on the screen. These advertisements and videos can be very distracting for any reader. To fix this issue, click on the rocket ship icon and click Start Using Mercury Reader. Notice how the view of the article has completely changed. Gone are the advertisements and other distractors that were on the original page. Users can use the Send to Kindle feature to set up their Kindle and send articles to their personal reading devices. Pressing the Settings icon allows users to change the text size to small, medium, or large. They can also change the typography from a serif font to a sans font. They can also change the theme from light to dark to adjust for visual impairment needs. Click at the very top to exit the Mercury Reader view and go back to the original web page. And this is how you install the Mercury Reader extension for Google Chrome.